Don't quit your job, but don't quit your dreams. There's nothing worse than being broken trying to chase your dreams, because everything's going to take way longer than you think. And you don't want to be like me. I've been doing this my whole life. It's not a fun thing. There's a way to navigate and work smarter, not harder. You could have that money, you could work the regular job, you could be comfortable in a sense, but you could take more risks. And that's why you don't want to quit your job, because it's going to give you a better advantage to take the risks on the things that you actually want to do. If you're constantly stressed about money, your mindset will break, which is obviously all the videos we do them on. And I'm chasing the sunset, so we're gonna run through this. You need to control your expenses. The less you need, the easier it is to move fast. You could be fast and lean. It's like, when you're building a startup, you don't want all that fluff. You don't need all that extra stuff. You need as minimal liabilities as you possibly can. And that'll give you the greater gap to take those risks on your business or your creative ventures. If you have all those things tying you down, the responsibilities, whether it's monetary responsibilities or other things you do. If you have all properties in one location, you can't really move and be mobile. And then also if you have a car, say it keeps breaking down, or you have luxury vehicles, and that's why I don't like super crazy cars, because I'm not trying to deal with that stress. I just want to shoot videos, that's all. Maybe later, but not right now. Go all in, but not all risk, which basically means you want to go fully in on it and really commit, but you don't want to go full risk mode. You don't want to be stressed out figuring out how to survive. That is not fun either. How are you going to have the mindset to move on the things that you love? The thing is too, all this is going to be more expensive and take more time than you think. So you need money to fund your dreams. You need an exit strategy. You can't just go out doing nothing. You're going to be stressed out, and figuring out what to do is going to be not good. You got to build in the shadows and give it time. That's the main reason I say keep a job too, if you already have one, is because you really will underestimate how long everything takes. Because anything that you really want to build is going to take a while. You have to do a lot more behind the scenes than one single thing. I've shot videos, I went viral, I've done all these things, but to keep that up is not something you want to do. You want to build something with the actual direction you want to go, and something you want to sustain. You don't want to just have it and then disappear. Then you're going to be in the same grind mode again, and over and over and over. You need to get a network that keeps you accountable. This is what I do. I send my videos to everyone, whether it's these ones or other stuff that I'm working on, other projects. It's just good because we inspire each other and we keep each other accountable. I definitely would have not kept doing these videos if some of my friends didn't tell me to keep going, because pushing through that hard time, it just takes longer, but it's also rewarding, even if it's a little bit of views, a little bit of gratification to see that something you truly like and care about do well, even if it's a little bit, is way more rewarding to me than doing something else. And you need to create systems for consistency. This is what I will probably make another video on next, just because this is the main thing that's helped me on my journey, definitely in the past 30 days, which I'm applying and implementing to all the different stuff that I do. And it's just way easier because now I could replicate it for other people, because I've went through it myself and I know what works and what doesn't work. Especially if you want to be a content creator or do anything similar to this, you definitely should not quit your job, because going all in is rough. You could do both. You need to just merge your life with the content, do things that's easy and just get a taste for it, build the systems, make it easy on yourself. The mindset is way stronger than you think for this. I told you, there's nothing worse than being broke and also chasing your dreams. How are you going to be motivated? If you got to pay bills and you got to hustle, then you end up doing things you don't want to do. Besides my own original content and creative ventures like this that I just want to scale and build like a media company, when I was doing a lot more service-based business, man, they trick you. It's all a game. It's a trick, because you're going to wait on money. You're going to do jobs, wait on money. You could have just did your own thing the entire time. You're thinking you're getting something, but you're really not. So it's like trick anyway. So you got to just play the game. Just keep getting the money, investing in your own stuff. And then by the time you see that it's ready, you could scale and make your exit. You got to just plan. You can't do it dumb, please. Don't do what I did. I never had a job. I didn't know anything. It took so long to do stuff. You got to hustle and get money. Everyone is not built for that. That is not regular. the main thing is, a lot of people too, I see this happen all the time. The process will break them, and they could have made it work if they just got money somewhere else and could survive, and then also chase their dreams, and then they could really do something they want to do and see it thrive. You don't want to compromise your mission. You don't want to compromise what you stand for, especially not too early. And that's what happens. That's how you end up building things that you didn't want to keep up with, and we don't want to do that. The whole point of this is to move with intent and execute. You could do it so much easier. Just work smarter, not harder, okay? That's it.